My mom bought this belt buckle in the 70s, the very early 70s, from what I understand. I carried it, she gave it to me, and I carried it for years and just started when I took off to to leave Oregon on my pack string. I had this set up on this belt after years of just carrying it. And today, see how cool the back is? God, they don't make belt buckles like this anymore, and it's just amazing. But this tip broke off today, and I am extremely sad. See, 1974. So, I'm extremely sad about this, and as skilled as my boyfriend is in fixing things, we don't want to take the chance of him attempting to repair it so that I can continue to wear it. So now it's going to become part of the family history and heirloom that is just admired but not worn. And I'm just really, really sad that this broke. But for being as old as it is and still being intact in terms of this part, it's really fantastic that this is in such good condition. So that is my incredibly sad story about this really awesome belt buckle that I just wanted to make sure that I documented it so that the beauty of it can be preserved on YouTube forever. It's just an awesome belt buckle. God. All right. Well, thank you for watching.